Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona electric Cornet here. Looks like their standard electric typewriter. Done hundreds of these machines. This one's been reconditioned also. Mint condition. Really came out nice. Very smooth carriage. I left the bottom off so we could look under here real quick. Everything under here is just perfect, as it should be. Nice, you know, this is based on their manual typewriter, and they probably ran this whole series, this whole design here for probably, you know, like 40 years. Very proven, bulletproof model. So this is electric. Of course, it's got power on and off. So let's type on this. What makes this typewriter a little bit different is its type style. It's pretty unique. In fact, I don't think I've seen one of these in the shop here ever. And I've seen a lot of type styles come through the shop. Alright, so this is very small. I think it's called Gothic, Micro Gothic. So it's super small and it's all capitals. So that's capitals, you know, uppercase, of course, is capitals, but lowercase is also capitals, but real small. Pretty neat. I think I like this. It is still an elite machine. 12 pitch, 12 spaces per inch, but super small type. I think that's pretty neat. Just thought I would highlight that today on our little video of the day type thing. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.